My name is Jared. I'm a mechanic here at Utah Trikes. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble your crankset. We'll go through standard Catrike and Sunseeker model cranksets in this video. Let's get started. We will first start with the Catrike crankset. The tools we will need for this process will be a bottom bracket wrench meant for Catrike specifically, an 8mm Allen wrench, and a pedal wrench. To start, this process will be easier if we break the chain and move it aside for now. We will also want to remove our pedals by taking our pedal wrench and turn the inside of the pedal to loosen. One will spin counterclockwise and the other will spin clockwise. We can take our 8mm Allen wrench and loosen the Allen key from the crank arm. As we loosen it, the crank arm will pull itself off the axle. Make sure you pull the arm off and keep track of the two washers sandwiched between the arm and the boom. You will have one nylon washer and one wiggle washer. Now we can remove the crankset from the boom and place it aside. Then we will take our bottom bracket wrench and loosen both sides of the bracket. One will spin counterclockwise and the other will spin clockwise to loosen. Once both are loosened, we will spin them in the same direction to remove both of them at once. We will have completely disassembled the crankset. To reinstall the crankset, you will need to reverse these steps. We will next demonstrate a Sunseeker crankset. The tools you will need for this process will be a bottom bracket socket, an 8mm Allen wrench, a tapered style crank puller, and a pedal wrench. Similar to the beginning of the process on the Catrike crank, we will break the chain and move it aside for now. We will also remove the pedals to make it easier. Next, we will remove the bolt holding the crank arm with our 8mm Allen wrench. Then we can take our crank arm puller and thread the outer collar into the crank arm. Then, once the collar is snug, we will tighten the wrench and push the crank arm out and remove it. We will then repeat the same process on the other side and remove the crankset. Once both arms have been removed, we can take our bottom bracket tool and slot it into the bracket. We will then loosen both sides of the bracket and spin both sides in the same direction by hand. Then we can remove the bracket and now we have it completely disassembled. To reassemble the Sunseeker crankset, reverse these steps. I hope this video has helped you disassemble your crankset on your trike. If you're looking for any other options to upgrade your front gearing, we have plenty to choose from our website. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact our support team through email or call us, and we'll be happy to get back to you as soon as we can. In the meantime, relax, spin fast, and ride trikes.
That's the sound.
Give me a little sound. Team for any upgrade options, and then there's plenty to choose from on our website.
Perfect. Right there. Your arms. What do I do?
I don't know what to do with my arms.
Hey, it's out of the way. It's alright. It's out of the way now.
Yeah, it's empty.